So this is a Temu unboxing, but I just wanted to take some time to share these leggings that I also got from Temu. So they're from a different package, but I just wanted to share, and I've been wearing them for at least a few weeks. I just feel like it's important for you guys to know the quality of these leggings, and I'll put pictures either on the right or on the left if you want to know how they look. So I'm not gonna try them on for you, but I just wanted to show you that I also got this package a few weeks ago from Temu. This is a legging. I started working at the gym as a personal trainer. I do teach my yoga and Pilates classes, so I also wear these leggings, but I wanted to keep them mostly for personal training. So what I like about these leggings is the area that is see-through, this part. It is beautiful. Like, I love the design. And just be careful, you guys, if you are wearing these leggings. They have different designs. Like, Temu has great designs, but I wanted something that was very professional. I did not want anything see-through like in this area. I just wanted a area that was see-through from the knee down. Okay, so that's what's happening here. All right, so this is the first one, and I really love it. Like I said, I've been wearing it for about 2 weeks. The other one is this one. Great quality. It is not see-through, but I've noticed that if you do a deep stretch, when I've worn this for my yoga classes, I do feel that it could be a little bit see-through, but it's not too crazy, you know. And I think I bought it for like, what, $8 each. So this one also has the area that is see-through at the bottom. Okay, I don't know, just love it. I wanted to share this because I want to get more, but as of now, I only bought these two. And again, they're from Temu, and this is a review on the leggings as well. Hi, so we are unboxing a Temu package that I got today. So I got several stuff. All right, so first I have a game that my brother suggested for my parents. It's called Rush Hour. Now, let me open this for you guys to see. I need scissors. We've been really worried for my mother because she is 69, and so she's been forgetting some things. So I do have a lot of games for my mom, and my brother suggested this game that was gonna help her mentally. Okay, so you get these little cars. I'm just hearing noises. Okay. And then you get, oh, it's very tiny. So this is what's in the back, and this is the front. And it does come with a little booklet. And I think this is where you put the cars. So I'm not gonna do this right now. I don't even know how to play this game, but he sent it to me saying that it helps with like with the brain, you know, it's a really good game for the brain. So here are the cards. Okay, so, and then this. So I don't know, I just gotta figure out how to play. All right, let's keep opening. This is another game that I think I used to play when I was younger. I just don't remember much, but it's this one. Okay, so what you have to do, it comes with this as well, so it tells you the instructions. So I'm excited about this one because I remember I used to play. This comes with the sticks that you put inside the, oh, right. This is weird. Yeah, you have to just break them all. This is annoying because it's like hard, but yeah, so I'm not gonna do this on camera. Probably if I just break it, just cut it, that's easier. Okay, so cutting it is so much easier than doing it with your hands. And all you have to do is start putting this sticks however they fit. Okay. And I don't know if this is how you play this, because I like I said, I played this long time ago when I was younger. But I believe that you choose a color. Let's say one person is red, another person is green, another person yellow. And you have to take out the sticks without dropping the balls that are inside. I don't even remember how to play it, but I think that that's how it is. It's kind of like Jenga. All you have to do is try not to, I don't know, like honestly, I don't even want to talk about the game when I don't even remember much. But I think that you have to take like the color that you are, which is, you know, yellow, green, or red, without dropping without dropping the balls. So I don't know, I'll just have to read it, but I'm just unboxing and seeing how this looks. There's another red one. This is, I don't know, I'm not gonna do it right now. It's like, but yeah, so you do it like that, and then you put this ball inside this hole. I'm gonna put all this back, and maybe one day I'll make a video on the games that I'm making my mom play. Like I'm teaching her how to play chess. Chess is fun. I'm teaching her what else? She knows how to do Jenga. She does like puzzles. Just anything that could help her, you know, with the brain, because she's starting to forget some stuff, and I'm just very scared that she could develop dementia. Okay, so that's that. What else I got? So you guys, this is funny. I love doing the jump rope. Now I found this on Temu that is like as if you were doing jump rope. So I'm like, what is this? So I don't know. Are you supposed to burn calories just doing this? Are you supposed to jump as well? This feels so weird. But I don't know. I'm kind of regretting buying this. Like, what does this do? And I just bought it because it said that it's like jump rope. It's like doing jump rope. But are you supposed to be moving the body? Are you supposed to like? It's kind of hard to do this and jump at the same time. I'm gonna hurt myself doing this. I don't even know what to do with this, but it kind of feels funny, but it's fun to do, and it's very light. I'm gonna read in the description because I don't even know why I bought this. Okay, that's that. A dog leash. Now the reason I bought this leash, I have two huge dogs. The reason I bought it is because of this. I have a big problem with my dogs pulling, so this is just gonna create less shock whenever they pull on me, because they are crazy. And I did upload a video on dog leashes, especially the no pull collars, and someone did mention that you have to train the dogs, but I am a dog owner that I've never had big dogs, so I always had like a tiny, not a tiny, but a 17-pound dog, and she was just very calm, never a bad dog. But the dogs I have now, they're huge, and I've tried training them. I've tried with my family, but one is a husky pit bull mix, and she's very stubborn, so I don't know how to do it. Like I'm not good at training dogs. But yeah, some people suggested that I train them. So yeah, I got this leash. I'm excited to try it. I walk them every day because I run with them, so I'm happy about this. Now this I also feel excited about. I am a personal trainer, and I got this because it has a lot of exercises. 15 squats, 20 mountain climbers, 15 push-ups. So like you name it, like all these exercises that you can just roll, and then 20 bicycles, you know, and just shock your body with whatever comes out, because you don't even know what's gonna come up. 1 minute wall sit, you know, so anything that 15 lunges, anything that creates, you know, more fun to a workout, I like. And especially because I want to make it fun for my clients, all right, and for my workouts too. So I really like this. So like I said, I have 2 big dogs, and they do get fleas in the summer. I live in Texas, and I have one of these already at my parents' house. So this one I bought for my house. This is for fleas. You just, you know, pass it through the dog's hair, and fleas would just show up here. So I really like it. Now, I do not like the chemicals on my dogs, so if you guys know of any natural way to get rid of fleas or anything like that, please let me know, because I don't even know where they're coming from. So I do have a big backyard, and I've heard that if you have wildlife in your backyard, dogs can get fleas from the grass, you know. So I try to wash them like once every 3 weeks, especially in the summer. I try to do it more. But yeah, if you guys know anything on how to get rid of fleas naturally, no like bad chemicals for my dogs, that will be helpful. And that's it, you guys. I am done with all the Temu stuff that I got. Now this I'm kind of regretting, and that's it. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.